Let me tell you, the next time you say you're going to try to do something, here's what I want you to picture doing. Everybody driving here?
Yes.
Y'all drive? Okay, here's what I want you to do. Put your foot on the accelerator and then put your foot on the brake at the same time. What's going to happen with your car?
Stall out.
That's the same thing that you do to your brain. Every time you say, I'll try. You really don't know but you think in your mind that you really going to try to make it to the meeting. But when somebody tell me they're going to try to do something, I automatically know. They don't even know that I know that they're not coming. Because of the word try has stopped their brain from moving forward. So picture that the next time you say, I'm going to try to do something. Put your foot on the brake and the gas at the same time and watch what happens to your car. Nothing. So that's what will, if you start practicing that, it will go against your operating system and you will not say that again. Matter of fact, when you hear the word, it will automatically, you'll correct that person. Because it's just, your brain will not receive that word. And that's what's stopping a lot of you from going to the next level, because you keep trying to do it. I keep trying to get in the business, or I'm going to try to get the money, or I'm going to try to get some people to the meeting, or I'm going to try to get them on the phone, I'm going to try. Stop singing, okay? You're killing yourself in your whole career.